Morning, morning. Good morning. Morning. Everyone had tea or coffee? Yes. I had hot water. Very good. Super. Actually, it is night here. Where you are staying, man? Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Morning. Yes. So everyone have understood the Agile implementation? Yes. How this Agile implementation will happen? Everyone understood that? Yes. Is it clear? Jyoti, it depends upon duration, Jyoti. It depends upon duration. Yes, fantastic. So I'll be doing with some other calculations today, like in the sense some other numbers I'll be doing with. Okay. So let us understand how it happens, and I'll give you approx values also. Okay, is it clear? Yes. So I hope screen is visible. Yes. So as usual, I'll be starting with my project name, Picasso, and then duration. So this time I'll take it as 16 months. Next, a release duration. Yes, how many weeks of release duration is one? 6 weeks, sir. Okay, 6 weeks. Number of releases. Number of releases. How to calculate? For 1 year. How many weeks? 52 weeks. So 4 months extra. 4 2 4 4 are 16. 52 plus 16. How much? 68. Correct? 68 divided by 6. How much? 6 11s are 66. 0.220. 6 3s are 18. Again 2 left. 11.33 something you will get. So here in this case, if you got any point values, you can take 11 also, 12 also. Anything is fine. Understood? You can take any value, no issues with that. If you take 11, the last release is bigger duration. If you take 12, last duration is small duration. That's it. So I'll take it as 11 releases. So how many releases we have? How many releases we have? 11 releases. Yes, next. So I'll take next sprint duration. So last time we have taken 1 week, no? This time we'll take 2 weeks. So 2 week sprints means number of sprints per release. How many sprints? How many sprints will have? Yes. How many sprints will be having per release? Very good, Ramakala. Very good. Fantastic. You will be having 3 sprints. Why? Because 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Correct? Yes. Next, I need to calculate test cycle duration. So this I'll take it as 5 days only. Don't take less than 5 days or more than 5 days. In original calculations also take 5 days only. Okay? Yes. If you take other days, you'll get confused, and the work is also will be hectic. I can take one day also duration, but work will be hectic. Okay, so take it as 5 days itself. Don't go for less or more. So next, I need to calculate number of builds. So 6 weeks means how many days? 6 weeks means how many days? 30 working days. Very good. 30 working days. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Correct. So 30 working days are there. Now, if I calculate my test cycle duration 5 days, what is my build duration? What is my build duration? Number of releases 13.33. Yeah. Hey, 6 11s are 66, no? Correct only, no? Number of releases. So. 52 1 year, 12 months done, no? 4 months left, 4 fours are 16. 52 plus 16 is 68, correct? 68 divided by 6, 6 ones are 6. Again, 6, 8 will be left, 6 ones are 6, 2 will be left. Correct, 11.33. You, when will I get bill 01? Day 5 build 01, day 10 build 02, day 15 build 03, day 20 build 04, day 25 build 05. So total how many builds I'm getting? Total how many builds I'm getting? 5 planned builds plus, can we take 3 unplanned builds? 3 unplanned builds will we take this time? Shall we take 3 unplanned builds? Yes. So 3 unplanned builds. So total how many? 8 to 9 bills per release. Per release, how many bills I'm getting? 8 to 9. So total how many releases I have? 11 releases. So total how many bills I have got? 9 into 11, which is 99. So I'll take it as a round figure. So 95 to 100 bills I have tested in my project. So total how many bills we have got? 95 to 100. Is it clear? Clear everyone? Yes. Yes. Next, what we need to calculate next? Test cases. Test cases. First, I need to calculate days for system study. How many days we have spent system study? Day 1, sprint plan meeting 1. Day 6, sprint plan meeting 2. Day 11, sprint plan meeting 3. Day 16, sprint plan meeting 4. Day 21, sprint plan meeting 5. Day 26, day sprint plan meeting 6. So how many days? 6 days. How many days? 6 days. Sometimes, guys, it is very tough to understand the requirement. It is very tough to understand the requirement. Now, what I will do? Can I take one extra day to understand the requirement in entire release? 100% we can take. Why? Because the first thing to do in the testing is understanding the requirement. If I'm not able to understand the requirement, what is the use of testing? Yes or no? Yes, because of the complexity of the data flow or else a feature, whatever it is. So it depends upon that. Pavitra. So before starting off every sprint, you will be doing sprint plan meeting. No, day 1, day 6, day 11, day 16, day 21, and then day 26. So total, how many we have? 6 sprint plan meetings we have. Correct. So 6 days plus. If the requirement is very tough to understand, sometimes it is very complex to understand. It's very tough. So then what I will do, I'll take one extra day. So total, how many days for system study? How many days for system study now? Very good. I want reply from everyone. 6 days for planning meeting and 1 day extra, total 7 days. Now remaining days, how many days? Remaining 30 minus 7, 23 days. Per day, how many test cases you can write? maximum three, sorry, minimum three, maximum seven test cases. You can write more than that also. I'm giving you an average value. Okay, you can write more than that also. Next, so that means implies what is happening, 23 into 4. So now how much? 4s are 12, 1, 8, 92 to 95 test cases in one release. Total how many releases? 11 releases. 95 into 11. How much? 5. 99. 99 plus 5. 1, 104. 140. How much? 104. 104 to 1050 test cases I have written. How many test cases I have written? 1045 to 1050 test cases I have written in my project. Total how many people are there? Team. 1050 into 3 is equal to 0513. 3150 to 3200 test cases are there in my project. So total how many test cases are there in my project? 3150 to 3200 test cases are there in my project. Understood everyone? Clear? Yes. Next, defect count. Defect count. Yes. What is the failure percentage? 20 to 25. Last time you have taken 20, no? No, features are different, no? Kazred. Yes. So this time I will take 25%. So that means 3000, sorry, 3,225%. How much? 10% to 320, 640 plus 5%. 160, 160, 640 plus 160, 0, 0, 1, 8, 800. Yes. 800 to 820 defects are there in my project. Defects are found by me. How much? 820 divided by 3. How much? 2 is 6. 2 will come. 7 is 21. 3. So 273 to 275 defects I have found in my project. Understood? Everyone clear with this? Everyone understand? Yes? Yes. Copy. Komal, whatever I'm explaining now, whatever I explained, the same thing I've done yesterday with different calculations. That's it. So different defects found by me in decimal values. That is why I've not taken decimal value. No, sprint duration you can take your value. Gautami, number of releases. So number of releases is equal to duration of the project weeks. You need to convert it into weeks divided by release duration. You will get number of releases. Jyoti, sprint is only iteration. Whatever you have learned in manual testing, release process is different. What you are seeing here, correct? No, there you have learned sprint and release are same, but here sprint and release are not same. Correct? Sprint itself is an iteration. Yes, Reshma, correct. Yes, Surabhi, you can. Let's take duration, Sujit. Yes, Divya, I'll give you the definitions, don't worry. Komal, number of builds. So per one release, we have got what is this? Five builds, five planned builds. Three unplanned builds we are taking. Three unplanned builds means what? Respin activity. So sometimes there are chances you might get blocker defect and you will report it to developer. Developer will give you respin activity. Correct. So that is called as unplanned build. So per one release, I'm taking three unplanned builds. So total how many builds I'm getting? 8 to 9. So for that is for one release. We have 11 releases. So 11 into that value you will get. Yes. It's not one build, Kazit. It's a combination of five builds. Five planned builds. Test cases count. Vijay, sprint duration you can take your own value. I'll tell you what is the duration you can take. Apan Kumar, it depends upon your sprint plan meeting. Yes, test cycle duration also we can decide. Sir, can we have a manual note of test case? Yes, mincing. I'm seeing and I'm replying. Don't worry, I'll reply. Number of days for system study. Days for system study. Komal, system study. 7 days for system study. Prakar. Prakar. 7 days for system study. See, sprint plan meeting, they will decide what are the features you have to get, you are getting for build one, build two. So based on that, you will be reading, understanding the requirement. Okay, Aparn Kumar. More or less observe here. So number of builds, what we have here it is. So here what happening? So here in one release I have 30 days. So my test cycle duration is 5 days. That means for every 5 days I'm getting a build. So day 5 build 1, day 10 build 2, day 15 build 3, day 20 build 4, day 25 build 5. So 5 planned builds. Okay. Okay. Now what happened? 5 planned plus 3 unplanned builds I'm taking. So here 3 unplanned builds is 8 to 9 builds we are getting for one release. Total we have 11 releases. So 9 into 11. I have taken 9 as an average value. 9 into 11, 95 to 100 builds. Okay. Abhilasha, it depends upon complexity of the project. You can write more also. See, one fellow can write 10, 15 test cases also. It depends upon complexity of the project. If the feature is easy feature, we can write. If not, no. No, Ramakala. Release duration who will decide? Management team. Kajit, yesterday we took 5 days system study. Today we took 7 days system study. 1 day extra I have taken. Why? Because this is 6 weeks release. Yesterday we have taken 5 weeks release. Compare that also. By me. Who is that? Komal, by me. No, Praveen, no, he will not ask. If it is done, do it once again with the different calculations, or else I'll give you the range also. Guys, release durations take 4 weeks to 8 weeks. Anything between 4 weeks to 8 weeks. Okay. And then sprint duration. Take anything between 1 week to 6 weeks. Next, test cycle duration. Take 1 day or 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days, but I recommend you 5 days. Okay, is it okay? Yes. Yes. Next, team size. Take anything between 3 test engineers to 7 test engineers. Okay, and then what else is left? Number of test cases. Test cases you can write 3 test cases to 7 test cases. Understood everyone? Defect percentage, okay, that also I'll give. Defect count 20 to 25%. Failure. Yes. Shubham, fixing the defects and retesting. Okay. So duration right now, take only these numbers, don't go other than these numbers. 12, 14, 16. Okay. Don't go more than this or less than this also. Do with these calculations only. Project duration. If it is completed previous calculations, I want you to do calculations today completely. Completely do the calculations today. This is all ranges. So you can take anything in between. Sprint is a time period which you are working to complete the work task. That's it. So sprint is a time period which you are dedicating to complete the task. So that is the meaning of sprint. Release is nothing but releasing a product from gathering requirement, understanding requirement, developing the product, testing it, giving it to production. That is release. Understood? So sprint is a time period. So in this particular time period, I want to complete this work. That is sprint. Release. In this particular time period, I have to release it to customer. That is release. Understood? Prashant, I'll give the answer later. We have that interview question also, don't worry. Jyoti, right now, don't take more than 16 months. Later, I'll tell you what to take. Test cycle. Oh, TS I have written. Test cycle. Project duration, after all, 12 months, 14 months, or 16 months. Take any one of these numbers. Don't take anything less or more than that. Reshma, 3 sprints per 6 release means 6 weeks release means first 2 weeks one sprint, next 2 weeks one sprint, next 2 weeks one sprint. Third sprint also will be having 2 weeks. Thirty days, 1 week means how many days? Not 7 days, no, 5 days, no. Yes, Harsh Yadav, correct. Anything you can take, Komal. You can take 14 or 16 or 12. Reshma, 30 days per release, correct. For 1 week, how many days you have? Okay, observe, I will show, I will show. See, day 1 to day 10, sprint 1, day 10 to day 20, sprint 2, day 20 to day 30, sprint 3. Done, no? Why? Because per one day, per one sprint, I have one like 2 weeks. 2 weeks means 10 working days. 5 days 1 week, 5 days 1 week. Yes. How to calculate number of releases? Yes. Who is that? Kazir. So convert this duration into weeks divided by number of release duration. You'll get number of releases. Convert the duration into weeks. Okay. Below test case, what you have written in the middle section? What you have written? Test case, test case, test case. This one, huh? Remaining. Komal. It is remaining. Remaining. Yesterday you are absent, huh? So that is why you are asking these doubts. So in one sprint we can have two test cycles and two builds. Yes, we can have Pavitra. We can have. I'll explain that also. Don't go forward. I'll explain that. Right now, whatever I'm explaining, get the rest. Later, I'll explain that. How the release durations will be, how the sprint durations will be. Can I have in one release, can I have only one sprint? In one release, can I have 10 sprints? In one sprint, can I have only one build? All those things I'll tell. Don't worry. Yes. Harsh Yadav, whenever the sprint plan meeting is happening, you will do system study. Why? Because in sprint plan meeting, you are understanding, no? You have to understand. Yes, yes. First, do the calculations. Try to do the calculations. You will get it. Shraddha, this is the sample calculations you can take. Gaurav, whatever I've done yesterday, I'm just repeating it. Don't worry. So these are the sample calculations, sample numbers, what you can take. Take these numbers and you can just do the calculations, Gaurav. Shraddha, whatever I've done yesterday, I'm doing the same repetitions. So what I want you to do is take these calculations, take any one of these numbers of each and everything. You can do the calculations, Shweta. Okay. 12 months means 52 weeks, Divya. Yes, Praveen, they will ask. I'll give you the answer also. Yes, Vishnu, you can. Yes, Kavishri. I'm audible, no? Okay, okay. Yes, Anish, you can take after 1 week to 6 week, anything you can take. Yes, Prakar, we have taken. Priyanka, no, you need to tell the numbers. That's it. Yes, Debraj, you can take. Because it's 7 5s. Saturday, Sunday also you need to take. Not only Saturday, Sundays, Saturdays also you need to take. Shubham, release duration by sprint duration. Release duration divided by sprint duration. Yes, Anish, you can do. Surabhi, what is your release duration? What is your sprint duration? No, Priyanka. Manoranjan, if you are, see, yes, guys, everyone observe here. Everyone observe. Some fellows are doing this. So that is not wrong also. We can do that. Now, my release duration is 4 weeks. My release duration is 4 weeks. Sprint duration they are taking. Sprint duration, chances of taking sprint duration here. I can take 1 week sprint also, 2 week sprint also, 3 week sprint also, 4 week sprint also. Understood? If I am taking 1 week, how many sprints per release? How many sprints per release? Four. If I am taking 2 weeks, how many sprints per release? Two. If I am taking 4 weeks, how many sprints per release? One. If I am taking three, how many sprints per release? Again, two. How, sir? One sprint will be 3 weeks, one sprint will be 1 week. There is no rule that all sprint duration should be equal. Understood? sprint duration should be equal. No, there is no rule. But remember, whatever durations you may give, your release duration should not change. It is fixed. Inside that, whatever you do, you are your wish, your company wish, your company standards. But you need to give the release to the customer after every 4 weeks. That should not be changed. Understood? Now you got one clarity. End of 4 weeks, 100% I need to give product to the customer. I cannot make any changes in that. But inside the release, whatever we can do, I can do. That is the reason Agile is flexible. Whatever you want to do, you can do. There is no fixed process. There is no fixed process that you have to follow like this only. No, there is no process like this. Whatever you want, you can do everything. Understood? Yes, Manoranjan. Sir, for 12 months and 8 weeks calculations for number of releases, I'm getting zero. Why you will get zero, Vasanta? 12 months means how many weeks? 52. 52 divided by 8, how much? 52 divided by 8, 6.5. That means you can take 6 or 7 releases. So, Ravi, that is what I've told you. Your release duration is 4 weeks. Sprint duration is one sprint is 3 weeks, one sprint is 1 week. Yes, Surabhi, you can. Komal, you will be having every sprint, you will be having sprint plan meeting. So when you are doing sprint plan meeting means you are understanding the requirement. Entire day you will be spending on understanding the requirement. So if you have 4 sprint plan meetings, 4 days for system study. If requirement is very tough to understand, you can take one extra day. Why? Because first of all, you need to understand the requirement. Okay, Komal. Yes, Surabhi, you can do it. Komal, as a fresher, you can write a minimum 2 to 3 test cases per day. When you have got an experience in writing the test cases, you can go for 5 to 7, 10 to 15. It depends upon your capability as well as what we call complexity of the project. Okay, Komal? Mayank, we can do that, Mayank. Don't worry. I'll tell you what to do. Okay. Yes, Komal, you can do that, Komal. So 14. Yes, Yamuna, very good.
We don't have any formula for test cases per day. It's an estimation. That's it. Komal. Estimation. Komal, estimation. It's an estimation. That's it. Sir, sprint plan meeting they do starting at the stage itself. Yes, yes. Every start of every sprint they will do. Logeshwaran. Start of every sprint they will do. So after doing the project, we'll take the whole experience. Yes, yes, Harshada. This is how you will be explaining in interview. If it is done, take one more calculation, do once again. So we have 5 weeks of release means 25 days in first 5 days. Komal, no. First day only you will spend. Every sprint, first week, first day you will spend. 5 days continuously you will not spend for system study. First sprint 1 day, second sprint 1 day, third sprint 1 day. Swati Swarma, take one more day. Sorry, take one more calculation and do it. Yes, Kajit, correct. Yes, Harsh Yadav, manager. Yes, Surabha, you can. Very good. That will be happen. No, Pavitra, no. Yes, 1 day test cycle you can have, but that is hectic work. That will be very hectic work. That will be very hectic work. Sorry, take a- Any name is Surabhi. Any name is fine. Surabhi, any name is fine. So, then you can take only 3 days. See, if you have three sprints, 7 days you can't get it for this thing. What is this? This thing. Sir, can you show previous post? Priya, there is no relation between those two. Both are different. Yes, Surabhi, anything is fine. Reshma, you can't get. If three sprints are there, then you can get only what is this? Three sprints, 3 days system study plus 1 day extra. You can take 4 days. That is not sprint plan meeting. That is sprint, Surabhi. That is sprint. 10 days sprint. Oh, Surabhi, no, no, no. I have done mistake. The law issues. Leave. Correct. I have done mistake. Surabhi, what you got it is correct. Leave. Okay, what you got good is correct. Yes, yes, Aparn Kumar, you can. Yeah, Reshma, I'm telling that one only. No, it is a mistake. Yes, Rashika. So, Ramakala, yes, only yes. If you calculate like that, you'll get like this itself. Yes, correct, Ramakala. If you divide it, who is that? Yamuna. No, they are not going to ask this question. No, 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 no. It is according to sprint, not according to builds, Pavitra. It's according to sprint. One sprint means one meeting. That's it. Reshma, take according to your calculations only, Reshma. Monday I'll start with no, not decided. Maybe test cases, test case design techniques. Maybe both are same, Priya. Both are same. Yes, here you will get. Here you will get. Here you will get, Pavitra. Why? Because my sprint duration is 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, I'm getting two belts. That's it. Aparna, I'll tell. Aparna Kumar, I'll tell. Don't worry. So first month at the end of first beginning. mm, So sprint to no number of users for it. Yes, Sunil. Sir, in sprint we can have only one build up more than that. Yes, you can have Jyoti. Yes, yes. Yes, Vishnu, it varies.
Sir,
Yes, Pavitra.
so here, suppose if one sprint, two builds are there.
Uh-huh.
If they give both builds at a time, then only one sprint meeting. Otherwise, if they are giving like fifth day or 10th day, like that, then we'll have two sprint meetings, right, sir?
No, 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 no. Sprint meeting will be only one. How many bills you may get, but you will be doing sprint plan meeting one only. In that meeting only, you will decide how many bills you will get, what are the features you will get. Everything will be decided in that meeting only. Okay.
Okay, sir. Then here we have mentioned fifth day and 10th day build comes. That means,
It will be discussed on day one only. Day one only you are going to discuss that. I'm going to get build one on day five, day two build day sorry, second build I'm getting on day 10.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, yes, Manoranjan. Correct. So everyone understand this implementations? Yes. No, Arsha, it will not be done. Yes, fantastic. So we'll end the session today here. I have some like I'm not well, full of like, I'm not well. I'm not able to speak also. So we'll take the session on Monday. Okay. Monday we'll be doing with this thing, test cases writing. Okay. We'll be start writing the test cases. Yes, yes. So that's all for the day. We'll meet on Monday. Until then, tata, bye bye. Have a good day. Manoranjan, you can take 3 days. Anything is fine. Okay. Yes. Bye bye, guys. Yes, Subham. Yes, Subham. No issues. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a weekend. Happy weekend. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.